Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? This is Mikey's Automotive. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe right now. Turn on that notification, hit that like button. All right, so I'm unboxing the Autel IM608 Pro right now. The first thing that I opened up was the APB112 Smart Key Emulator, you guys. So basically what this emulator is designed to do is to receive the ignition coil data to identify coil faults and decode the vehicle key chips. And it supports 4D type chip emulation. All right, I thought it was gonna be a little bigger, but it's actually pretty small and handy. The APB112 goes connected to the Autel diagnostic tablet using the supply USB cable, okay, that's inside here, this one. And it's compatible with the MaxiIM IM608 and key programming tablets only. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and move on to the Autel G Box 2. Basically what this little box does, it gives you the ability to perform adaptations when all keys are lost and or the engine is replaced. It works for most Bosch, including EDC/ME X17 series engines used in BMW and Volkswagen vehicles. It reduces the time needed and eliminates the process of insertion and removal. Okay. Also compatible with DAS3, EIZ/EZS for Mercedes-Benz when all keys are lost. Now let's go ahead and look at some cables that it came with, some adapters, some extensions, some cables. All right. Let's go ahead and open this. So as you guys can see, we have a whole lot of cables that they supplied us with. We have some clamp cables. Okay, we have K-line cable. We got some fuses, okay, some resistors, as you guys can see. All right, so that we don't end up burning anything or we need to do something Eeprom. Okay, K-line cable. And then we have the DB15 cable. This is the cable that we're gonna use a lot, okay, for Mercedes-Benz, BMW, when you're doing Eeprom. Okay, when you're working on a module, you'll need to plug this into your Gbox, to the module, okay, to read the EIS, to read passwords, to find information. Okay, we have a OBD2 extension cable. So we got pretty much we got a bunch of nice good stuffs, okay, with this whole bundle, the Gbox 2. The Gbox 2 does come really heavily supplied with a bunch of useful stuff. Great for European vehicles. It's also compatible with the IM508 and the IM608. All right, you guys, so we have the key programmer adapter kit. Now these adapters you can use only with the XP400 Pro. Again, you can only use with the XP400 Pro. Okay, these are for Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Volkswagen, GM, Ford, Mazda, Renault, Volvo. For Mercedes-Benz, you can use their generation IMMO CAN line with the K line, and you can add a key and do all keys lost. For BMW, it supports EWS3 and 4. You can do CAS 1, CAS 2, 3, 4. You can do FEM, you can add a key and do all keys lost. For Volkswagen and Audi, you can add a key, do all keys lost via OBD for 2013 and 220 models. Okay, we have, let me go through all the adapters that we have. We have APB113, APB114, 115, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 126, 127, 128. And of course it comes with a really cool carrying case. Now let's go ahead and show you the main event, the main thing that you've been waiting for. Okay, so most of you guys are probably wondering, so why do I even need a diagnostic tool, right? Wrong. So most of the times when you're programming a key and you're out there, you're gonna need to run a diagnostic scan first on the vehicle. Why? So that you can know if the modules are working correctly with each other and you're able to program a key. Also, you wanna do this before you even touch the customer's car, because if something doesn't work properly or there's some type of bad short, okay, they're gonna blame you. So to cover yourself, you need to run a diagnostic scan and save it on there to show it to the customer, okay? All right, you guys, so we have our diagnostic tool on the left hand side, which is a Maxi Flash. To the right hand side, we have our tablet, which is a 10.1 inch LCD touchscreen. It has ambient light sensor, power LED, microphone, collapsible stand, built-in battery, loudspeaker, camera lens, camera flash, has a DC power supply input port, headphone jack, USB port, HDMI port, USB port, mini USB port, and a lock and power button. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it so much, you guys. Go ahead in the comments, let me know what you guys think about this. Because this is a new movement, this is a new step that we're taking towards programming keys and doing diagnostics, okay, you guys? This is a special tool that we all need. If you're a locksmith, you need this tool now. Go get it, go buy it. I want to send a big shout out to locksmithkeyless.com. You guys check them out. If you guys want to purchase any stuff from them, go ahead. This is where I got mine from. Okay, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I said I was going to give you guys a shout out. All right, and shout out to them. They helped me get my first IM608 Pro. All right, you guys, so in order to set up your Autel IM608, you're gonna need to connect to Wi-Fi or hotspot. Then it's gonna tell you to create a user ID, and they're gonna send a password to your email, confirm that it's you, ask you for some information. The cool thing that I like about it is a diagnostic tool, of course, and when it's matched up with the vehicle, it lets you know how much voltage the vehicle has. Okay, so that's perfect. Also, another thing that you guys are gonna need is a battery stabilizer to keep the voltage up, or a battery jumper to keep it above the 12 volts. Some vehicles you might need 13 volts and up. So basically, the battery stabilizer would keep you guys from destroying any data on the ECU while you're programming or reflashing any module or ECU computer. Also, make sure that you're constantly updating your Autel IM608 Pro so that all the new XP400 Pro features can work properly with all your adapters and the G Box 2. This tool does not require any tokens. However, it does require a yearly subscription, but the first year it's free, you guys, to program keys and do as you please, okay? After that, you will need to renew your subscription. All right, you guys, let's take a look at some of our accessories that we have. All right, let's open this up right here. So all these connectors that we see right here, this APA connector, we're all gonna use it with our XP400 Pro, okay? This little Eeprom socket, everything's gonna be used hand in hand with our XP400 Pro. Keep that in mind. All right, you guys, so this is what makes the Autel IM608 Pro IM608 Pro. This right here is the XP400 Pro. All right, a lot of you guys mentioned that you guys already own an IM508 or IM608. If you guys just purchase this, the G Box and adapters, you guys can utilize the same features that the IM608 Pro has on your IM508 and your IM608. You just need to go ahead and update your software so they can utilize the same functions that the IM608 Pro has, okay? And this right here, you guys, is another important thing right here, you guys. This is a Maxi Flash JVCI, okay? This, like I said, this is what helps you read all the modules. Okay, this is really a great tool to use. If you're into diagnostics, this is good for you. This, like I said, it helps you go into detail what modules, what trouble code is coming up. Okay, you can go detail into ABS, airbags, turn off codes, erase codes, flash, reprogram. All right, so this is a really good tool. Sorry about the noise, you guys. All right, so if you guys are looking to purchase an Autel IM608 Pro, right now would be a good time since they actually have a bundle for sale that retails around $4K. When I say bundle, they're actually including the G Box 2 and all the cables that it comes with, the APB 112 Smart Key Emulator, and the key programmer adapter kit. Okay, so that's what you get for the bundle for $4K, which is a great deal, you guys. So if you guys are looking to purchase one, go ahead and get on that deal. That's a nice little bundle. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link of where I bought my programmer down in the description below. So if you guys are interested in that, it's gonna be in the description below. Go ahead and look for that. If you guys have any further questions, go ahead and email me, lilroxx001 at yahoo.com, and I'll try to answer your questions to my best knowledge. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Mikey's Automotive. You guys have a great day. Take care. Until next time, peace.